Hi kids, today we're going to draw a very simple, very nice, very cute little ice cream cone. Here he is, look. Now then, I'm going to show you the construction lines for this. I'm not just going to draw the shape and ask you to follow it. I'm going to help you to understand how things are composed so you can carry on and really develop in your own drawings. Okay, so here we go. So first of all, with our pencil, we're going to draw a nice big oval. Now, if you don't get the shape you're after quite first time round, don't worry, just go round a few times. Nice light strokes, get a nice oval shape there, okay? Then we're going to draw a line straight down the middle. So our centre line, okay? And we'll decide how long we think our cone. I want mine to be quite chubby so he's cute. So I'm going to put my line about there. Then I'm going to draw a line from there. And right about here as well, and then I'm going to curve round off this bottom edge here, make it even cuter. Then I'm going to draw a construction line across here. This is where the eyes are going to be, nice low down, so it's cute with lots and lots of space up here. So I'm going to draw these nice big eyes in there. These are about halfway between the centre line and the outside edge, so you can see where they go. And a nice little smiley mouth, just make him very simple, very happy. Then I'm going to give him some nice sort of frills so he's like an ice cream. Just like that. Okay, I think we'll give this one a cherry. So we'll draw a shape like this, just shows us that the ice cream is nice and plump and full. And then we're just going to draw another circle here. You can overlap because we're going to be rubbing out and inking in. And then we'll put a little line for the stalk right there. And that's pretty much our drawing done. We'll give him some highlights for the eyes. You can give him one, I'm going to give him two here. I think I might have some cheeks down here as well to keep him cute. And some sprinkles. Go on, let's have some sprinkles. And we'll put some on the outside as well, and a little star. I always like to draw lots of stars. For some reason I don't quite understand. Adds a little bit of magic. And we're just going to do some diagonal lines here and go in the other way to give us the texture of an ice cream cone. And that's our drawing. So now we're going to ink in. And I am going to use one of these pens for this. I like it, it's nice and thick and chunky. So I'm going to start by drawing out my little ice cream line there. Then I'm going to draw the stalk of my cherry, like that, so that I know where I'm going with the rest of the cherry, like that. There we are, beautiful. And I'm going to ink in the eyes, going round there to leave room for the highlights, and just ink that in. Oh, look, he's looking so cute. Look at him. Coming to life now. Little mouth. Oh. Now then, I like to turn my work when I'm drawing circles because it helps if you can pivot with the wrist. You see that? Get a nice smooth line, and I'm just going to come a little beyond that point there. And this way, I'm going to turn my work this way, and I'm going to, so I can pivot like that, you see? Put this nice, big, confident curve in like that. There we are, turn it the right way around again. And then just going to add a little, change that a little bit. There we go. Oh, it's so pretty. He could also become an octopus, couldn't he? Look at him. And then put these lines in like that, rounding off the bottom of that cone for extra cuteness. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to do a couple of my sprinkles here in this nice thick pen. Oh, I like him so much. And then I'm going to get my thinner pen, which is a 0.1, when I can find it. There it is. And I'm going to go in and use that for some of these other sprinkles. Also for the cheeks. And this little star here. couple more sprinkles, and also for the texture on this cone here. There we go. And the reason I like to do that is just to give it a little bit more added interest. There we go. And then in a moment I'm going to rub that out, give the ink a chance to dry, and then we'll colour it in and we'll have our finished ice cream cone.